Let us see how we can add elements to an existing list. We can perform below operations to add elements to the list. Append to add elements at the end of the list. Insert to insert an element at the index specified. All the elements from that index will be moved to right side. Extend to extend the list by appending elements from other list. We can also append the list using plus. Let's create a list with 4 elements to begin with. Let's get the help for append function. You can see here appends object to end and it returns nothing. There is no return type for the append operation. It will just append an element to the end and it doesn't return anything. Now if I say l.append of 5, the list is updated with the 5th element. You can run l here and you should be able to see the 5th element as well added to the list. You can also use plus to append elements into the list. You can actually pass a new list as part of this plus operator. All the elements in the new list will be appended to the existing list. So I can say l equal to l plus 6. Now you will be having 6 elements. You can add multiple elements. So in this case I am appending a list with 4 new elements to the list L here, and hence L will contain 1 through 10. You can also use insert. Let's get the help on insert. Insert object before index. So it takes 2 arguments. One is index, second one is the object that needs to be inserted before that index. Now if I run this at 4th position, 0, 1, 2, 3, at 4th position 13 will be inserted and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be moved 1 element right side. Let us run this and let's see the output here. 1, 2, 3, 13 and rest of the elements which were there as part of the earlier list. Now let's get the help on extend. Extend list by appending elements from the iterable. So in this case you can pass an iterable to extend. It will just extend by adding elements from the iterable. List is iterable and hence we can pass list as well here. Let me run this and now let's see the data in L. We have 11 and 12 as well. We can also extend using any other iterable. It need not be list. Now let me say L dot extend. In this case I am passing a set to it and I am saying 13, 14 and let me run this. Now let's review the data in L. You can see 13, 14 as well as part of the list L. As part of the extend, we can not only pass list but also other types of iterables, example set. This is how you should be able to add elements to the existing list either by using append, insert or extend or using plus operator which is similar to extend.